Hi, this is gonna be a short video how to add the music to your game. So simply create the folder for your audio and add the music you want for your background. And to keep in mind, I usually use the OGG file because if you go for the WAV, it's gonna use 10 times more of the storage in your game. So for example, here is 10 megabyte, but if I compress it to OGG, it's just less than 1 megabyte, just 931 kilobytes. So sound is similar. Let's quick play it. So it's almost the same quality, but it's take much less space in your game project. And this is gonna be just the background music, so you can, for example, add it to the main camera if you move it from the level to level, or you can create some object, let's say it background music, and just move it to that. And whenever you wanna keep the music in the game, you wanna keep that one play on awake. If you don't have that, music won't play, and you will need to start it with, for example, some coroutine or code in the game. But if you keep that, the music will start whenever the player will start the game. And another thing to keep in mind is the loop. If, for example, the music have, let's say, 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it will just stop playing. But if you wanna repeat it again and again, as long as the player or someone will play the game, you wanna keep that loop, so the music will be played again, over and over. And the priority and the volume, you can set up how loud it's gonna be. So let's say you can see, you can manipulate, and you can change the pitch, so it's gonna be faster, slower, and you can as well play the priority of the sound in the game. Another thing, let's back to the normal. Another thing, if you wanna go to the next scene, if I go now, the music disappear because it's opened the new scene and there is no music added to the current level. If you go back to the level whenever you create it, it's there. But if you wanna move the music from the level to level, you need to create the script, and let's call this one, just for the test, music, background music, background in short, and open that. So whenever you open the script, just remove all the start and update, and what you need to do is public, static, and now you give the name of the script. So in this case is music BG and instance. And this is gonna create the public instance. And now we need to function awake to call it before everything start. And we need to write don't destroy unload, and this game object. So it won't be destroyed if you go from the level to level, and it will be always kept in the game. Another thing is we need the if statement for instance. If there is null, so there is nothing, so we need to create one. So instance equal this, so I'm gonna create this one. And we need to as well the else statement if there will be more than one. For example, have this object in the another level, and they will play both, but you don't need that. So I need to just keep the one. So I need to write else. Oh, not this one. And destroy game object. So it will always keep the one instance of the object. So now let's save that. And if I go to scene number 2, I added the background music as well. So maybe let me call that number 2. But what the script will gonna look is the script, not the name of the game object. So keep that in mind. Let's go to level 1. And this is gonna create now instance. I'll just turn down the music. Maybe a bit more so you can hear it. And now it's great for us. Don't destroy, unload, and keep the background music we create the script for. And now whenever I go to next level, the music will keep playing from the same moment we finished at the previous one. So you can see the music still playing. And if I go here to check what element have the scene 2, you see that's removed the background music too we had here. So it only keep the one element we create the instance for. So this is gonna help in case you will have multiple objects just by mistake or something in your game. So hope that's gonna help you, and see you next time. Cheers. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos for my channel. See you next time. Cheers.